welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. Now that we've gone through all of our lights, we've calibrated them, we've cosmetically corrected them, we've debarred them, and we've put a weight into the fits header. Now we need to align them. So we're going to go up here to the process, all processes, and StarAlignment. We're going to click the reset button to default everything. Let's add our weighted files. So we're going to come over here and we're going to select them all. Now we need to do a reference image. Now we could have opened it up, but we don't need to. We can do File in the drop down. Click that little down arrow. This is where we need to remember. It was, let's see, January 10th, temperature of 7. So we know, come down here, temperature 7 on the 10th. I'm looking for 235,918. 235. 918. So there's my reference frame. Again, that wasn't the top one. Normally we would go with the top one, but I wanted something that was a little bit more centered. So we went with the second option. So we're going to click Open. Now we're going to select our output directory. We're going to call this Aligned. And we're going to give that R, M for the mask. Okay, now Light Vortex Astronomy's tutorial says to generate the drizzle data. This is more for when you have the smaller sensors and you want to make a larger image. I'm going to do it just because it is part of the process and I'm curious. So we're going to generate that drizzle data. We're already at 6,000 by 4,000, which is plenty big enough, but let's see what we get with it. You know, I've never used it, so let's learn together. The only thing left is to click this Apply Global, and we'll let it run. We'll be back when it's completed. Alright, that's completed. As we can see, 4 failed. That's fine. Our target was 240 or 8 hours, which we are one frame shy of. That's perfectly fine. 1 frame's not going to kill us. So that completes the StarAlignment process. So let me create the icon real quick. And we'll close this out. And that completes this chapter. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe, ring that bell. As always, clear skies.